good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Steve. Right on the SNS TV for real, you feel me? It's currently 5 in the morning. So me and Serena have a joint Instagram account at Serena and Steve, and I seen she was plotting to prank me, but she never got to it, so she thought I ain't see it. But today I'm gonna take over and make this prank happen. As you can see by the title, you already know what's going on. Let's get it. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, show love, baby. Let's get this prank war started though. Everybody, I need y'all to go comment Steve in them comments right now. Hope she don't wake up. Let's get it.
Wait until I wasn't sick to do that.
I ain't wet you though. Babe,
No.
wake up. Look like you peed in the bed. I was trying to creep in there, but she kept waking up. Every little move I made, she was waking up. It was hard, but hopefully I got her good, you know. I think I got her good. She's pretty upset though, cause it's early. You can, like, if you listen a little bit, you hear the birds chirping. And on top of that, the fan was like right there by the camera, so if you hear noise, that's what it was. It was the fan. Sorry for that noise, but for you guys, stay tuned for the next prank. Comment down below if you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know what it is. SNS TV. Comment down below what you want to see next. Got more pranks coming, baby. 1K on the way to 2K. Subscribe, you heard?